Now, certified the most accurate weather team in Florida, ABC Action Weather.
How you doing, everybody? We are now beginning to see that change in our steering currents, and in Florida, that's the key to everything. If you get westerly winds, we see our showers in the morning. Easterly, we get more of our late day variety storms. And while we did see rain early along the coast on Thursday, the winds started to go more in a southerly direction Thursday evening, and I think eventually southeast by this weekend. And that means all of the storms and the heaviest storms very likely will be closer to the coastline. That's a big change from what we've been seeing over the past week or so. So looking at futurecast through the overnight on Thursday and into Friday, more scattered showers and thunderstorms begin to develop, and I actually think early on Friday things will be dry along the beach. It's been a while since we've seen that. Then more of a southeasterly flow by late afternoon into the early evening hours, and that will likely continue more so with just a strong easterly wind come Saturday and Sunday. Now, here's a look at the GFS, the long-range forecast for the next week to 10 days. The one thing I think worth noting is it brings the heaviest rain in the state on the west coast of Florida. Those red colors, there's 2.5 to 4 inches of rain. So that gives us a pretty good idea. The GFS feels as though we're going to be more of our classic pattern, which brings all our storms back toward our beach, which we have not seen for the last week to 10 days. So that'll allow the coast to get in on the action, which hasn't seen nearly as much rain of late as folks in the interior counties have. Here's a look at Florida's most accurate 7-day forecast. Rain chances pretty much any time, afternoon and evening through the early part of next week. Some could be locally heavy and severe. In fact, with this kind of a pattern, it's pretty likely that you'll see some severe weather warnings each and every afternoon, even closer to the beach, with highs in the lower 90s.